Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and here is this week's grocery haul. As usual, at the end of the video I will have my meal plans, and down in the description box I will have the points for anything that I don't know the points for. So here I have a couple of fat-free cream cheeses. This is going to be for a recipe I am filming for a fall video, so I'm going to be doing some of that this weekend. And same with this pumpkin pie spice. Then I have some salsa verde sauce. This is going to be for a salsa verde chicken I am making. Some yogurts. This is the Oikos 000. It has 0 added sugar, 0 artificial sweeteners, and 0 fat. So I have chocolate, strawberry, peach, and coconut. And this unsweetened baking cocoa is also for one of the recipes. I got 2 cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. That's going to be for spaghetti, squash, and sausage. And then I got some chickpeas, some no salt added black beans. I got 2 of the no salt added green beans, some avocados, and then these low fat honey grams. These again are going to be for one of those recipes. Raspberries, blueberries, apples. The only meat I needed this week was some ground chicken and some chicken breast. And then I got some of the Joseph's pita breads. These are 1 point a piece. The spaghetti squash, a yellow onion, 2 things of carrots, and some celery, grape tomatoes, grapes, iceberg lettuce, pineapple. I got a kale salad, 1 green pepper, cilantro, got some eggs. These are 2 points a piece, or with the Eggland's Best eggs, these are 3 points for 2. Green onions. I got some romaine lettuce, some bananas, and some spring mix. So that does it for this week. And again, I'll have the meal plans at the end of the video. And thank you for watching. Talk to you guys all later. Bye.